So this is going to be the start of a new series where we're going to be creating a need system. So we're going to be adding hunger, thirst, and energy to the player character. And so let's get started on that. And the first thing we're going to do is add a new attribute to the game object. And we're going to call it needs. We're going to make it into a string dictionary. And for our key is going to be the needs attribute. So hunger is just going to be hunger. And then the value is going to be how the need is displayed to the player. So it's going to be hunger capitalized. And do the same thing for thirst and energy. So thirst and then thirst capitalized. And then energy. And then energy capitalized. Okay. So now we need to add these needs to the player character. So click player attributes. And the first one we're going to do is hunger underscore current. This is what the player's hunger is going to be at any given time. Make it an integer. Set it to 100. Then we're going to do hunger underscore max. Set it to an integer. Also make it 100. The max is just going to be the maximum amount the hunger can be. And so I feel like that's pretty obvious from what the attribute is called, but I figured I'd explain it. So the next one's going to be thirst underscore current. Integer set to 100. Thirst underscore max. Integer 100. And then finally energy underscore current. Integer 100. And then energy underscore max. Integer 100. Okay, so now we are going to create a turn script, which is going to run each turn. So add turn script. And then, let's see, we're going to name it take turn underscore TS. And we're going to check this. This makes it where the turn script is automatically enabled whenever the game starts. You don't have to manually enable it. Okay, so now we're going to create a function that displays to the player what their needs are. So click add function. We're going to name it update underscore status. Go to code view, and the first thing we're going to do is status is equal to new string dictionary. And underneath that, we're going to do player.status attributes is equal to status. Okay, so in the middle, we're going to start off by iterating through game.needs. So we'll do for each key in game.needs. We're going to go ahead and get the value for the key value pair. So val is equal to dictionary item game.needs key. And then now we're going to get the current and the max for each need. So current is equal to get attributes player key plus underscore current. And then max is equal to get attributes player key plus underscore max. Okay, so now we just need to add this to the status. So we'll do dictionary add status, key, and then we'll do val plus colon plus 2-string current plus slash plus 2-string max. Okay, so this is important information for the player, so they're literally going to need to see it every single turn, which is why we're going to add this function to the take turn script. So let's do that now, and we'll do update underscore status. So now we're going to run the game to make sure everything is working okay. And as you can see, nothing is displayed, and that's because the player technically hasn't taken a turn yet. So I'm just going to type in wait to force a turn, and now everything is showing up, our hunger, thirst, and energy. So we're going to change the code a little bit so we won't have to worry about forcing a turn. So we're going to go to game, scripts, and in the start script, we're going to do take turn underscore turn script, comma, script in quotations. This is going to automatically run the take turn underscore turn scripts, which is essentially just our update underscore status function. So we'll save and run it now, and it automatically comes up without forcing a turn. So that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we're going to implement a turn system. So stay tuned for that.